Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Evan. So we're on the track right now, and we're going to run up now. Let's show off. Okay, let's go 55. You can't catch up to me, son. I'm too fast. I got the eyes on the prize here. Diesel fuel. Like my bumper Snickers. They're filming me on the GoPro. Hey GoPro, how's your day? See you next time, guys, and make sure to subscribe and pound the heck out of the like button, and make sure to stay tuned to another video. Maybe you'll come back to here again and we're gonna have some more fun, okay?